Hey everyone, I'm Zach Detmore. Today on The Build Show, I want to talk about a situation I see constantly, especially in older homes like this, Center Hall Colonials. When they were built, they put a nice big double hung window right on this landing. And then people decide to put an addition on. And usually that addition roof line cuts off the window. In this case, what they did was they put a little cutout. And what has this cutout done? It's leaked constantly. If you're gonna have this type of detail, you really need to make the whole thing out of copper and detail it properly, which they did not do. So there's chronic leaking that's happening, probably because they didn't want to lose the light or they didn't want to replace the window. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace this window and move it up for a couple reasons. Sure, we could put a copper pan in here that would work better than what we have here, but if you had snow that laid and sort of laid against the window and this heat melted the snow, you might get ice damming, which is going to cause a back pitch issue and have the snow come in. We really don't want a windowsill right against a roof in areas where it snows. So the only real solution is to get it away. So if you have a situation like this, try and make sure it's detailed properly, but the best case scenario is to get that sill away from the roof line. And in this case, it's going to be moving it all the way up to here because our new roof pitch is going to be up here where it should be. So hopefully, if you see this type of situation, you won't fall for the I love the light situation and story. You'll fall for the it needs to be done properly or it's going to leak. Maybe not today, but eventually it will definitely leak. See you next time on The Build Show.